everyone, welcome to Queen D Fitness. If you're new, welcome. I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button. Also, make sure you hit that bell, that way YouTube will notify you every single time I put out a new video. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my go-to at-home full body workout. This workout I have done so much this year, especially with staying home more often than usual and like the gyms being shut down for a long period of time on and off. This was my go-to at-home workout. I did 2 to 3 times a week, so I hope you guys enjoy it. First, I'm going to start off with squats. For these next 3 exercises, I do a total of 20 reps for 4 sets. After squats, come lunges. I love lunges, you guys. I love them so much. I try to incorporate them in almost all of my lower body workouts. They're so simple yet so effective. Next up are deadlifts, one of my favorite, if not favorite, lower body exercises. Again, for these 3 lower body exercises, I'm doing 20 reps. For the lunges, of course, it's 20 reps each leg. Next up, I'm going to hit some back and biceps. I'm going to start with bent over row. And for the bent over rows, I'm going to do 15 reps. Here I'm doing simple bicep curls. As you curl up, make sure you feel the tension going down. Go down nice and slow. No need to rush any of these exercises. And again, I'm doing these curls for 15 reps. Next exercise, I'm doing dumbbell kickbacks. These work the triceps, and I'm gonna do 15 reps of these. You guys should definitely feel these. A lot of people say that sometimes they don't feel it. You're not squeezing and focusing on that tricep muscle enough. You definitely should be feeling these. Next to some chest, shoulders, and core, I'm going to start with push-ups. And for push-ups, I usually go to failure, but for this video, start with 10 reps. And the next exercise is my favorite shoulder exercise. It is the shoulder press. Again, don't sleep on this exercise. I try to do this exercise at least twice a week, and you want to do this 20 times. And last but certainly not least, I love to end my full body workout with some planks. And I usually hold it for 30 seconds to a minute if I'm feeling super motivated and adventurous. But usually I do 30 seconds each, and I do the plank 5 times. All the other exercises I do 4 rounds of, but planks I try to do at least 5 times. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it super helpful. Give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!